Hi, my name is Amit. I'm the CEO of Hoang Tam Garments. We are a sewing factory of high-quality outdoor garments where we specialize in down, padded, and seam seals jackets. During our low season, we produce sportswear and joggers. The size of our factory is 16,000 square meters and located in a city where the workforce is plentiful and the cost of doing business is the best in Vietnam. We currently employ 500 workers and are ready to hire more for long-term partnerships. Our factory has 16 sewing lines, 20 seam sealing machines, and 2 automatic down-filling machines. We follow lean manufacturing procedures and do our in-house quality control to meet and exceed your expectations. Our mission is to improve productivity and quality continuously. Our factory started operating in 2020, and in beginning 2022, we achieved RAP and ISO 9001 certification. Our vision is to produce premium down, padded, and seam seal jackets for the best outdoor brands in the world. We look forward to receiving your tech packs, quantity breakdown, and quality requirements so that we can start quoting price for you. Visit us in Vietnam or let's schedule a Zoom meeting to explore possibilities.